Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. Today is another beautiful Thursday morning, and of course today we will be checking out how you can make $100 today trading boom and crash with this simple strategy. Okay, we will be checking out a simple trading strategy that can help us to make up to $100 or even above it out today. Okay, that is what we'll be checking out, and I'll advise you to follow up with this training session step by step, so that you will understand how I pick my signal and every other thing with this strategy. Okay, so that you too can be able to pick your signal and on every other day right from there, and you can trade successfully without any hiccups. Okay, so we will be checking out some assets quickly, and of course we'll be doing analysis with it using a simple trading strategy. I will be sharing with you how I create my signals in order for me or for us to make more profit with it today. So we'll be going into the charts very quickly, but before we do that, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to this channel. This is Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my videos, and of course do your own. Make sure you understand the strategies shared in my videos, do your practice and perfect it first on your demo account before trying out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here. Remember, if you have any question at all, kindly drop your questions in the comment section. Okay, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, I said we'll be checking out how we can make $100 today trading boom and crash, okay, with a strategy which I will be sharing with you. Okay, the strategy I will be sharing with you is bringing these three stuff or major stuff together. Okay, the most important aspect of it is the trend. Okay, we need to understand the trend, the direction of the market, and that is what we'll be focusing on. Okay, and of course I will be focusing more on this particular tool. Okay, so once we are sure of the trend, then definitely we will know when to sell and when to buy. Okay, you don't sell when the market is on uptrend. Okay, you only buy when the market is on uptrend, and you don't buy when the market is on downtrend. You only sell when the market is on downtrend. Okay, then we'll also be considering the support and resistance zone, because this will help us to know the entry point and the exit point. And of course it is easier to sell from the resistance zone, and it is also easier to buy from the support zone. Your lot size is also very important. If you have a very good lot size that your capital can manage, then it gives you more confidence within the market, so that you won't be scared to close your trade in loss at the early stage before it's now continue with a trend. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, so now let's move on to the chart to see how this work out. Okay, so we will be checking out the charts right away. Okay, we'll be checking out the charts one after the other to see what the direction of the market is giving to us. Okay, this is boom 1000, and it has been on a very strong downtrend right from the 9th. Okay, so you can see it kept on going down and down and down. Okay, and it is still on down. It has broken, it has touched on the three major TP which I have created right here, and of course this just broke out from this support zone. I'm actually looking for a golden opportunity for us to see how we can make some good profits with this particular. Okay guys, okay, I've seen one. Okay, this will actually keep on selling till it gets to this particular support zone. If it breaks out from this support zone, then it will keep on selling, but if it does not, okay, we may likely have a total turnaround right from here. So firstly, we need it to get to this particular support zone first. If it breaks out from there, okay, here is the support zone. You can see it right from there. If it breaks out from there, then the next support zone is where we have right here. Okay, so now we need to be sure of that. Okay, so let's confirm. Okay guys, okay, that's the next support zone. That's the next major support zone is this. So I love taking my profit before getting there. Okay, so I'll put it somewhere here to take the profit, and of course, no, that's too close. Okay, I think this is better. Okay, I put it somewhere here to take the profit, but it needs to break out below this support zone first before it will get to this region. If it does not break out from here, it can pull back. Okay, but if it does not pull back, then definitely it will keep on selling. You can see I told you that it can pull back right from there, and that was what just happened. Okay, that was just what happened. It was unable to break out from that support zone. It might want to try it out again. If it tries it out and of course it breaks out from there, then definitely it will want to get to this support zone before we have a total reversal in price action. Actually, even though this is still selling at the moment, okay, but if it's unable, if it should try this support zone out again and it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back into a full buy trend. But if it breaks out from there, then definitely the next support zone is this. Okay, so if it's touched this and it's unable to break out from the next support zone, then definitely it will go back into a buy trend right from here. Okay, so actually we have missed out on a very long sell that happened. It's actually happened all through the night. Okay, so this might not be something reasonable for us to sell at the moment. I'm considering the sell signal, but we might be having an opportunity to buy more. Okay, we might be having an opportunity to buy more. So if it's unable to break out from this support zone, then definitely let's check out the buy opportunity that we can have. Okay, it may likely buy till it gets to, okay, let me give this as the first TP, and of course this should be the second TP, and that is for the buy trend. And okay, somewhere here should be the third TP. Okay, then now let's see the fourth TP. Okay, we are not we've actually spoken about the sell trend. Okay, we've spoken about the sell trend. That is, if it breaks, if it may likely go back to retest this support zone. If it breaks out below it, then this is the next support zone. Okay, we've actually oversold. The market has oversold already, so we don't really expect much from the market. So what we are now expecting right now is a buy trend. Okay, is a buy trend. So if it's unable to break out below this support zone, then definitely it should start buying right from there. So that is very, very important about Boom 1000. So if you are looking for an opportunity to sell for, to sell with Boom 1000, we've actually missed out on a very good opportunity to sell for a very long time. Okay, so now let's check out Boom 500. Okay guys, this is Boom 500, and just the way we have seen it, this started a downtrend right from here. You can see it sold right from here till it got to this region. Here is a support zone, and here also was a support zone, and of course it broke out from here, got to this place, was unable to break out, pull back or point back again, and this time around got there again, pull back, and this time around it broke out from there. Okay, so at the moment it is at this point, this support zone. So this is going to be selling, so it's still going to sell down till it gets to this particular support zone. So I'm going to put my take profit a bit ahead of that support zone. So here is our TP, so we expect it to get to this region, and if it breaks out from there, then we should be looking at the next region as our TP. which is going to be somewhere here. This is a very crucial point. Okay, it might find it difficult to break out below this particular TP, but once it breaks out, it gives us an opportunity to buy, to sell more. Okay, and of course the next TP should be somewhere here, and if it breaks out from there also, we have a very small margin between the last TP and this next TP. Sorry about that, I'm going to double click on that. So this is going to be the next TP. Okay, this is going to be the next TP, and that is very important for us to take note of. Okay, so once we see that we can easily milk the market, and it might not go beyond this before it will pull back totally, but if it breaks out below that, then we have a good journey, a good opportunity to milk the market till it gets to this particular region. Okay, we should take note of all these highlighted areas, and of course we can use it to milk the market successfully. If I had done this earlier on, we will have milked the market right from this resistance zone till it got to this region, and of course we still have the opportunity to milk more, but at the moment it is using all its opportunity at the moment. Of course, I hope that it's able to break out from here this time around. So if it breaks out from there, then definitely we have more opportunities to milk the market today. Okay, now let's check out crash 1000. The last asset we checked out was boom 500. This is crash 1000. This has been buying for a very long time, and of course I wish we had seen this earlier on, or probably at the beginning when it started. Then we would have made use of the opportunity to milk the market with it. Okay, and right now it is trying to approach this resistance zone. It has tried it out about 2 to 3 times, so it's trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, then definitely it will keep on buying. If it does not, very well, that means it will be crashing right from there. So we should experience more of selling opportunity right from there. We should be looking out this as the next TP, and of course we should also, if it breaks out below that, then this should be the next TP, and of course if it still breaks out below that, then we should be considering this region as our next TP. And finally, I'm going to stop here. If it breaks out below that, then here is also another TP for us. Okay, so now quickly let's check out our other asset, which is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Crash 500 has been buying right from the support zone, even though it's played around there for a while. It bought up till it got to this resistance zone, and of course it has not been able to break out above that, so it has started crashing right from there. You can see it crashing down, and of course breaking out from major support zones. Okay, it is at this period at the moment. Once it breaks out below this, then definitely we should be looking at somewhere here as our next TP if it's keep on crashing. Okay, after that, here should be the next TP if it keeps on crashing, and of course right here is our next TP if it should keep on crashing till then. Okay, so these are some of the opportunities we have in the market today. Okay guys, when I tried out this last week, quite a number of people one of my subscribers shared a result of $630 profit with me because he followed all the instructions and he was able to make a lot of profit with it, and I saw quite a number of my subscribers making a lot of profit with this particular opportunity. Okay, so this is another opportunity for you guys. You guys should watch out for it, and of course if you love everything that we have done today, and kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends, and of course if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.